We do not at USC. I've actually heard this answered publicly by many other admission officers at other institutions. I've never heard a single admission officer say that their institution limits students from a given high school as well. And why is that? Well, because the admission process for us is about building a class. And it's about finding the students for whom USC is the best fit. So if 30 students from Campbell Hall applied to USC, and I thought that 25 of them, and our committee thought that 25 of them were excellent fits, why would I pass on any of those students who were an excellent fit? Now, to be sure, like most things in life, there's a normal distribution. There's a bell curve. If you take any group of any individuals, there's always going to be someone on the top, someone on the bottom, and a bunch of people in the middle. Statistically, the fact is, you aren't going to have too many schools where everyone's getting in or everyone's being denied. But no, we don't factor at all in. In fact, the only time we really look at that is after the committee has made all of its decisions. And then we go back and we say, oh wow, we ended up, Campbell Hall had a 65% admission rate this year. Oh, great, good for them. I would tell you about the only time that I've ever been party to any conversations about the number of people admitted from a school was when we've been in the unfortunate circumstance when we've not been able to find a student at a given school to admit. And that doesn't mean that we have this idea that there will always be at least one. But you can understand if a school is sending us 30, 40, 50 applicants and we can't find a single student for whom we think we are a good fit, there's something going on there. Now maybe we need to go back to the drawing board and look at those students again. Maybe there are some issues at the school, maybe they've not been given the best advice, but those would really probably be the only situations where we'd raise an eyebrow. But it would never be a situation where we'd say, okay, put the brakes on, we've admitted too many kids. It just doesn't happen. Certainly doesn't happen at USC. And like I said, I've never known that to be the case at any other institution that I've ever heard of. Again, why would we on the college side limit ourselves? We want to find the best students.